Hit it.
Yeah. Grace, God, and grits. Listen up. Mama told me when I was young, come sit beside me, listen close, my son. I know this world hits hard and cold, but keep your faith tight, never fold. Walk with wisdom, don't move too fast. Storms gon' come, but storms don't last. You'll grow strong if you just stand, and always trust the Father's hand, and be a spirit-led kind of man. Live truth you can hold and understand. Be the kind who rise when others ran. Do this for me, son, if you can. Don't chase greed for a rich man's gold. Your worth ain't something you can fold. Everything you need is in your soul. God will guide you when nights get cold. Keep your eyes sharp, watch every path. Learn from pain, don't repeat your past. Stand on truth, let your spirit grow. That's the strength I want you to know. And be a spirit-led kind of man. Live truth you can hold and understand. Be the kind who rise when others ran. Do this for me, son, if you can. Don't lose hope when you lose your way. Every warrior stumbles someday. Find your purpose, don't rush the plan. Just walk in faith